If you're experiencing issues with screen share audio on Discord Mobile Android, here are some things you can try to fix the problem. 1. Check your audio settings. Make sure that your device's audio is turned on and that the volume is up. Also, check your Discord audio settings to make sure that the correct audio input and output devices are selected. Two, restart the app. Sometimes, simply restarting the Discord app can resolve issues with screen share audio. Close the app completely, then reopen it and try sharing your screen again. 3. Update the app. Ensure you have the latest version of Discord app on your Android device, as updates often include bug fixes and improvements that could help solve the issue. Try a different audio source. If you're trying to share audio from a specific app, try sharing audio from a different app to see if the issue persists. If audio works with another app, the issue may be with the original app. 5. Check your network connection. Poor network connectivity or low bandwidth can cause audio issues. Make sure you're connected to a strong and stable Wi-Fi or cellular data network. 6. Clear Discord app cache. Clearing the app cache can sometimes help fix audio issues. Go to your device's settings, then to the Apps or Application Managers section. Find the Discord app and tap on it, then select Storage and Clear Cache. Seven. Reinstall Discord app. If all else fails, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Discord app on your Android device. This will clear out any potential software conflicts or corrupted files that may be causing audio issues. If none of these solutions work, you can also contact Discord support for further assistance.